presentation so caringly put together by all the doctors present with us today, and of course the entire Plasmagen team. Yesterday, I was just noticing how the entire platform is indeed rich in terms of experience of more than 200 years of collective neurology experiences with all these eminent doctors, and rightfully so. I would like to introduce the doctors on the panel today. I'd like to start with Dr. Sanjay Sharma, sir, our chairperson for today's event, who has completed his DM Neurology from PGI Chandigarh. He's further trained at UCL's Queen Square Institute of Neurology, London, which is often touted as the Mecca of neurology. For the past 25 years, he has been practicing at the Ramakrishna Hospital in Raipur and is currently the head of department there. He has more than 40 publications to his credit, with some of them being in the likes of NEJM. Within the neurology arena, he is passionate about sickle cell anemia and many neurological indications. He has also organized the Indian Academy of Neurology Conference in Raipur. Moving on next to our moderator for the evening, Dr. Pravar Pasi is a freelancing consultant neurologist. Her areas of interest are demyelinating neuropathies, inflammatory myopathies, anterior horn cell disorders, and neuromuscular junction disorders. She is currently a consultant neurophysician at Neuroclinic and EMG Center at Ahmedabad. She's completed her MD Neurology Fellow Neuromuscular Disorders, and she's also a clinical research fellow at Harvard University, Boston, and affiliated hospitals. Now, I'd like to, in order of the chronology of names, alphabets, I'd like to next introduce Dr. Atmaram Bansal. He's the in charge of comprehensive epilepsy care for the last 10 years, and he has a special interest in complicated epilepsies and EEGs. He has conducted more than 100 of epilepsy surgeries in his illustrious career. And he has more than 50 national and international presentations and publications and book chapters to his name. He's currently a member of American Academy of Neurology. He's an executive council member of the Indian Epilepsy Society. He's a general council member of Indian Epilepsy Association. He's the editorial board member, International Journal of Epilepsy. Next, I'd like to move on to Dr. Buchi Raju, sir. He's done his DM and examiner from MGR University, Utkal University, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. He's given a number of guest lectures at AP Neurocon in 2010, 14, and 2018. He's currently the president of the Neuro Club in Visakhapatnam, and he's contributed review articles in Reviews of Neurology in 2016, and he's presented and published few papers in both national and international journals. Next, I'd like to move on to Dr. Deepak Aivle, who's currently working in Thane. He's associated with multiple of hospitals like Bethany Hospital, Hiranandani Hospital, Kaushalya Hospital, Upasani Hospital, Mulund, and he's the honorary assistant professor with Rajiv Gandhi Medical College, Thane. He's a lifetime member at the Indian Academy of Neurology, Indian Stroke Association, Indian Epilepsy Society, Movement Disorder Society of India, and the World Stroke Organization. As a part of his social endeavor, he works as a life member of the Multiple Sclerosis Society of India. Next, I'd like to move on to Dr. Shivakumar, who's currently a visiting professor at neurology at Vinayaka Missions University and Medical College in Salem. He's been a president of the Indian Stroke Association between 2012 and 2013. Like his name would read as Professor Dr. M.R. Shivakumar. His majority of the focus has been on teaching experiences, and he's handled a number of undergraduates and postgraduates and super specialists for the last 25 years. And he has been regularly taking bedside clinics, workshops on autoantibodies, neurophysiology, carotid, and transcranial ultrasound. He's conducted several lectures, seminars, symposia, and journal clubs for undergraduates, postgraduates, neurology, neurosurgery, and rheumatology students. Next, I'd like to move on to Dr. Somdarshan Naik, who's presently working as assistant professor in Department of Neurology, SCB Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack since 2016. He was the former associate professor in Department of Neurology, IMS and SUM Hospital, Bhubaneswar. His experience in research is wide, and he's conducted a clinical spectrum of headache disorders in a tertiary care center in Eastern India. He had a DM project of clinical spectrum of demyelinating disorders in a tertiary care center in Northwest India. And in addition to that, he had an MD thesis in stroke in young risk factor evaluation and angiographic correlation. His areas of interest in research are basically headache disorders, demyelinating disorders, and movement disorders. These are a few of his areas of interest. There are ample of them. Moving on to Dr. Suresh Gupta, sir. He's done his MD Medicine in 1986 from R&T Medical College, Udaipur. He did his DM Neuro in 1991 from NIMHANS, Bangalore. He's presently working as Chairman, Department of Neurosciences.
Information technology will support the transition.
He's the founder director of the Santokpa Durlabji Institute of Neurosciences, Jaipur, and he's instrumental in starting DNB Neuro at SDIN, Jaipur. Now, after introducing this elite panel of doctors, I would like to proceed with this, introducing with the speaker for the day. Our first speaker, Dr. Amit Shankar Singh. Dr. Amit Shankar Singh has completed his DM Neurology from G.V. Pant Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. Dr. Singh has an experience of running headache clinic and stroke clinic successfully. He's also worked in pediatric neurology and has done his residency in Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Neurology. He has received special training in headache disorders, especially migraine, TACS, TTH, and secondary headache disorders, stroke diagnosis and management with 4 thrombolysis and stroke rehabilitation. In addition, he's also pediatric neurology. He also has pediatric neurology experience. Over to you, Dr. Amit Shankar Singh. Welcome aboard to all the doctors.